My name is Rocco Da Silva. I am the founder of the Future Kids Club.
It is a beach cleanup club that gets together monthly on Strand Beach. It became important to me to protect our coasts when I saw how bad our coastlines were looking. By 2050, it will be more plastic than fish. I realized it was no use waiting for someone to help clean the world, so I did it myself. I want to get other kids involved, so I roped in some of my friends and people started coming. So far, we've managed to collect over 1,200 kilograms. I want to contribute to environmental sustainability and to grow because we're quite small compared to other beach cleanup clubs, but that doesn't matter, that won't stop me